Index card a day, number 20. Or try Tuesday number 12 by Creative Katie. This one's a twofer. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button in the lower right hand corner. So one of the prompts was to use Punchinella, and I decided to put some modeling paste through the Punchinella and cover the whole ICAD. Never done this before, but that's what doing the ICADs is all about. Trying different things. So I give this a good dry, and then I use the Dilutions paints, and I put a coat of Postbox Red, and then I put the Stencil on and use the pomegranate, and now I'm bumping the stencil, moving it just a smidge one way or another, and going over it with orange. The stencil that you see me using is a Balzer stencil by Crafters Workshop. It belongs to Yvonne, but I think we'll soon have it, because I think making jelly prints with this stencil are going to be great. I'm very happy with how the tag turned out with the colors. So there you saw some of the gauze, and I had sprayed it with Lindy's sprays. I was having trouble with these videos. I kept turning the camera on, but not clicking record. So these are some free printables that I printed off onto paper that's just a little thicker than regular copy paper. And there were lots of silhouettes. So I printed out several of those. So there's the gauze cheesecloth, and I put all the color in and dried it, and then I decided, I'm going to make the rope. So I cut off the rope off the printable and tried this out, and I thought, yeah, that's going to work. I wanted it to stay a little tighter, the rope, so I put in some Mod Podge to kind of make it all stick together, and then gave that a dry. So I twist it so it's very, very tight, and using Mod Podge worked for this. So I positioned the rope of the swing just where I wanted it to, cut off the excess, and lined everything up once again. So I'm using Mod Podge to stick this down, and kind of putting it between his hands. And I am putting Mod Podge everywhere. I find that that gives you a more all over consistent look. And giving it a good dry. When I started, I was trying to pick the motion pain, because I've been experiencing a lot of pain with my back and knee lately. And then when I saw the printable, I loved it, and I thought, okay, this could be like a hot summer day fun, just memories of the childhood playing till it got dark. So there you saw me taking the StazOn onto the applicator and just rubbing gently over top, and wherever it was higher, because of the Punchinella, it just kind of picked up a little bit of black. I'm trying to select a quote or a word that would go with this. I bought those at the dollar store, and I'm just starting to use them. Thank goodness for the ICADs, because I'm really using my stash. I decide here that I needed to add some gold. So with the cut and dry foam, I added some gold. So here you can watch me having a battle with peeling off the backing. And I cut off some of this video because it just went on and on and on. Now these stickers are shiny. A trick that I learned quite by accident was that if you take some gel medium and put it over it, matte medium, it takes that shine away and it doesn't stand out as much anymore. Just kind of re-edging a little bit with black, and then I'm going over it with some gold and the cut and dry foam. Checking the prompt list because it was using 4 different color mediums. So I used ink, Dilutions, the Liquitex, and this Lindy Sprays. Thanks for watching. Come and join the Facebook group. Join the creation ships.